Hello there, how are you? I hope all is well and everything is fine on your end. Welcome to my channel. You're listening to Light Channelings. So, as I said, I'll be back soon. Here I am again with new messages and updates for you. Today, I have a psychic reading where I'll be talking about what's going on with your counterpart and how things are progressing in your connection. Okay. So without wasting any more time, we'll just get into the details of it. The very first thing that is happening right now is that your counterpart is deeply regretting a decision they made to pursue something else where they left you abruptly out in the cold and simply ran into a situation which didn't serve their highest good. Now, these situations could be different for each and every one of you. It could be a work situation, it could be a romantic situation where they left you for someone else. It could be a situation where their family is involved, where they left you for their family, but now they are heartbroken over that decision and they are deeply regretting everything they did. Now they are on the verge of leaving that situation, but they are still fearful as people are creating drama and conflict for them. What's happening is that your counterpart has announced or made a judgment call or has made a decision that they are choosing you and are going to pursue you even if nobody approves of it or likes it. That means they are not asking for approval or validation from anyone in their life, and this is driving some people crazy in their life, especially their mother or the mother of their children if they are married in your case. Are you getting my point? Or this could be their significant other as well. Doesn't matter if they are married or not. The people they are leaving for you, which they'll have to, or you won't accept them like that, are feeling like they are losing everything. They are losing the grip over the situation. They are losing control over their lives. They are losing control over your person, and now they want to take revenge. And to take revenge, they can go to any extent they'd like to or want to. So this is where you need to be really very careful, vigilant and alert with whatever is going on or happening around you. And you have to take care of yourself a lot. Please put your shield up, as I'm saying that these people can literally send entities towards you, and this is going to happen. The closer you move towards your union, the weirder and stranger or bizarre experiences you are going to witness in your life, which includes experiencing paranormal activities within your home or anywhere near you. That might feel like a haunting. Trust me, this is real. This is happening to a lot of people, and if you are a really rare twin flame couple, that is extremely powerful and one of the oldest ones, just be open and expect the unexpected. That's what I'm going to say. Okay, give me a second here, please. But with that, I'm also saying that these issues are going to heal and resolve for the highest good of all involved. And this is also a case where your own counterpart is or was standing as a block in your own connection, where they were cheating, lying, backstabbing, betraying, or just being a player in general. They were not choosing you, or they were simply, wandering around, seeking other options, or just having fun with the idea of having multiple options. So all of these things are going to get resolved for the highest good of all involved, including the challenges and obstacles coming from their family members or your family members included. So you have to be open to these messages and trust God for what He's doing, because it's not going to be easy. You're going to feel like you should give up and move on in your life as things rise up and challenges get even more tougher for you. I hope you're getting my point here. So if we talk about it in detail, what's being shown is that they went into a relationship with someone else where they left you, the love of their life, and they ran into that situation. It was just for play and pleasure, but they wanted it. It was their wish, and they didn't care about your feelings or whatever is going to happen with this connection. And now they are regretting it. They are regretting everything they did. Something was given to them by divine, which was also a result of their own manifestation, that you came into their life, but they didn't had eyes to see the worth and value of this connection. So they ran away. They chose something else, and now they are heartbroken. They can see what they did, and they can see where they went was just not worth it. All the efforts they invested into that situation, person, or circumstance has given them nothing but deception and negativity thrown at them, just like they threw it onto you. Are you getting my point? And they are deep in regret. Now they are fearing that you are leaving them, or they can feel that you are walking away from this connection and from their life, which is getting on their nerves. But at the same time, they are very protective of you, because they have made a decision to come towards you and pursue you. They know that there are people in their life that they've messed around with, and these people might come up for you. That's why I'm saying be alert and vigilant, and be careful. Do not accept any kind of requests you get on your social media pages from strangers. Do not communicate with people at this point of time, and do not get into gossip or any kind of question answer sessions with anyone. If people ask what's going on in your life, you just have to say it's my personal business, and I like to mind my own business. I don't like to talk about what I'm doing in my life. It's private matter. Just keep that in mind, okay? They want to bring justice into the situation, and justice is going to get served, because it's being shown that there are people who were throwing shit on your name, on your face. I was saying that could be happening for some of you, where they were literally going out of their way to spread lies and rumors about you, and simply they were just misinterpreting everything you've ever said in the past, or anything you've said recently or stated recently, to portray you as a bad person or someone that is just promiscuous. That's what these people were trying to do. But what I'm seeing is that all the negativity that they've thrown onto you is returning back to them. The karma is at its best here right now, because the karmic energies have risen up. So you're going to get justice. The truth is going to come out, and each and every one of these people who have done nothing but try to bring you down are going to regret each and every action of theirs. Sooner or later it's going to happen. Okay, a lot of cycles are closing up, which is making a lot of people lose their sense and awareness in this whole situation, including you and your counterpart, I would say, because things are just falling apart in each and every one of your lives. Nothing seems to be working out. It's because the old foundations that were not built on solid foundations are supposed to be crashed down, and this is what's happening, because you have to build new foundations for you. You have to choose new directions. You have to be with new people, or people with new mindsets, if not new people. Are you getting my point? So they are leaving those other situations, and they are now ready to take a leap of faith into the new with you, the one that is meant for them. Okay, they are seeing you as the one for them. They are seeing you for who you are and what you are. They are coming out of their illusions, confusions, and apprehensions they had in the past, where everything was clouded with their judgment. They couldn't see, everything was blurry and vague. But now when the truth has came out about these people, especially if it was their mother or the mother of their children who was just not taking no for an answer when it came to destroying your connection with your counterpart, they can see that now. It's all coming out, and it has came out, which has made them heartbroken over the decisions they've made in their life so far. They regret listening to these people. They regret choosing other people over you and this connection. Okay, so these decisions are being made because the light is shining on your counterpart's head, and they are now able to see things clearly for what they are. But at the same time, they are also going through losses and experiences where they are getting backstabbed and cheated by other people, because things are coming full circle. And it's not just your counterpart. The people who were involved in this whole situation are also receiving their karma, where now they are paying the price for talking shit and just chatting non-stop about you with other people. They used their mouth to the best to manipulate the situation or poison the situation or your connection in such a way where your counterpart would think nothing but about leaving you. That's what they did, and that's what happened. So now they'll have to pay the price, and they are paying the price. If not already, they will very soon. Okay, there is this one person who's just being extremely dramatic and argumentative at this point of time, and this is the person who was the biggest block in this connection. For some it is their mother, and for some it's the mother of their child, who is just very cutting with her words or his words. This can be a male person in your situation, where it could be their spouse, that means their husband, if your counterpart is a female. Or it doesn't have to be, it could be a same-sex situation where there is a masculine person or figure or authority figure who was being a blockage in your connection. So whoever it is, these people are just creating conflict into your counterpart's life, but your counterpart is not taking no for an answer at all. They have said that they are not going to stay in that situation no matter what these people say or do to them, because they have made their decision and they don't want to regret anything in their life now. They are already regretting everything they've done so far, and now it's time to make changes. They are waiting for something. They are waiting to get their finances in order, because the losses they are experiencing right now are like nothing. Okay, so they are thinking of taking small steps, and they are planning and strategizing how to move forward and achieve their wish of having a family or a reunion with you. Okay, they are having hope, but at the same time they are feeling like it's not quite possible, as you are very much aware that they were juggling things out and they didn't prioritized you, they didn't listen to anything you had to say, and this is something which is making them cry over the spilled milk. And they feel like, even though there is this hope in their heart, they feel like you might not be interested in them now. That's what they are thinking and feeling. But at the same time, they are receiving the divine guidance that it's safe to move in this direction. We will work things out. It doesn't mean that you won't have any kind of challenge in moving towards your counterpart, but rest assured that we are here to help, and we'll do everything to support you in this connection. They are feeling stuck because these people are trying to keep them stuck in a rut, but they'll break through that. They'll break through. Okay, things have become stagnant in that situation they were in with their mother or the mother of their children, and that's why these people are trying to block them out, but it's not going to work. So you should not worry about anything. They have you in their heart and mind, and they are planning. They are not able to sleep at night, and I think this is also happening with you. This could also be happening with you, especially if you are moving closer towards your reunion. Okay, so I think I've explained almost everything. A lot is going on. Things are just falling apart in this connection. The karma is getting served, and it will. But at the same time, I'm seeing that right now these people are obsessed to take revenge, and they feel like that is going to bring them justice. But what's happening is that they are creating even more negative karma, and they are attracting even more negative energies towards themselves. So please be careful and keep up the spiritual work you've been doing, because that's the only way you can protect yourself right now, because things are just intense. They are extremely intense. That's what I'm seeing right now. Okay, a lot of endings are happening, a lot of new beginnings are happening, and it's going to be challenging for you, challenging and daunting at the same time. It might seem like it's difficult to overcome the things that may come up with this conflict and drama, but rest assured that you will overcome everything by God's grace, because God is the one who's standing behind you. Okay, so worry not. It's just a phase. It will and it shall pass. So that's all for now. I hope you like this message, and I'll be back soon with more messages. If I get time, I'll record the same one shortly and upload it right after this message. Okay, so you can find that out right above this video of mine on my channel if you're interested in listening to that one as well. It's about a few other things that I'm not including in this message. I'm going to keep it this much only. Okay, so thank you so much for listening. Take care. Bye bye.